Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Greenworks trimmer string is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine lawn, and today we're diving deep into how to ensure you're always equipped with the right replacement to keep your trimmer performing at its peak, saving you time and frustration when you need it most. Number 5. Greenworks replacement spools for string trimmers. Keep your Greenworks trimmer running smoothly with these replacement spools. Designed for a perfect fit, they ensure your tool is always ready for the job. These spools are compatible with multiple Greenworks 24V and 40V dual-line string trimmer models. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing tools. Featuring a high-quality 0.065-inch diameter line, these spools offer excellent flexibility and durability. They are built to withstand tough trimming tasks. Spend less time on maintenance and more time on your lawn. The automatic winding feature allows for quick and easy spool changes, so you can get back to work faster. Each package includes 4 string trimmer spools and 1 cap cover. You'll have everything you need to keep your trimmer performing at its best. What we like. This option offers a convenient dual-line setup with a standard 0.065-inch diameter line, perfect for general yard work. Its automatic winding feature means quick spool changes, saving you time. If you have a compatible Greenworks 24V or 40V trimmer and want a hassle-free replacement, this is a solid choice. What people say. The string is easy to install and works well with the trimmer. It holds up well and doesn't break easily, which saves time and frustration. The length of the string is sufficient for multiple uses, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Number 4. Greenworks SB00L00 String Trimmer Replacement Spool. Ensure your Greenworks 80V string trimmer runs smoothly with this compatible replacement spool. It's designed for a perfect fit, making maintenance a breeze. This replacement spool also works seamlessly with snapper trimmer models ST60V and ST60V T0. Keep your tools in top condition with reliable parts. Experience a quieter, smoother trim thanks to its advanced twist design. This feature reduces drag, noise, and vibration for a more comfortable operation. With a 50-foot dual line, you can cover a wider area with each use. The 0.080-inch diameter line is built for durability, ensuring fast cutting and a longer lifespan. This package includes 4 replacement spools, providing excellent value and ensuring you have spares on hand. Keep your trimmer ready for any task. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear. We stand by our product, offering full support for returns, replacements, or refunds if you're not completely satisfied. What we like. For those with a powerful 80V Greenworks or snapper trimmer, this replacement spool is designed for superior performance. The twist design reduces drag, noise, and vibration, while the 50-foot length offers an extended reach. If you're looking for a quieter, more efficient cutting experience with your high-voltage trimmer, consider this. What people say. This fit my 80V Greenworks perfectly, and the spool bump works as well. Previous purchases of another brand did not fit well, so I'll purchase more of this brand. Use weekly and is durable and easy to replace. It fits perfectly and is a very good value for the price. Number 3. Greenworks 0.065 Dual-Line Trimmer Spool. Keep your yard looking its best with this essential replacement spool. It's designed for optimal performance and ease of use. This convenient 3-pack ensures you have enough line for multiple uses. The 0.065-inch dual line provides a clean and efficient cut every time. It's engineered to be compatible with several Greenworks string trimmer models, ensuring a perfect fit for your tool. Replacing the spool is a straightforward process, allowing you to get back to trimming quickly without hassle. This is a high-quality, generic replacement part designed to meet your trimming needs effectively. Enjoy reliable performance for your outdoor tasks. What we like. This pack provides 3 spools with the common 0.065-inch dual line, ideal for standard trimming tasks. As an aftermarket part, it offers a cost-effective solution for maintaining your Greenworks trimmer. If you need a straightforward, budget-friendly replacement for your dual-line trimmer, this 3-pack is a great value. What people say. They fit and work great. The line looks durable and neatly wound, and the dual-line design seems like it would provide consistent cutting performance for regular trimming. So easy to use. Just pop the old one out and replace with the pre-thread Spell. Number 2. Greenworks 0.080 160-foot string trimmer line. Introducing the Greenworks 0.080-inch 160-foot string trimmer line. This is a genuine replacement part designed for optimal performance. You get a generous 160 feet of line, ensuring you have plenty for your trimming needs. It's enough to tackle even large yards. Experience a smoother operation thanks to its patented twist design. This innovative feature reduces drag, noise, and vibration for a more comfortable experience. Designed for convenience, it's compatible with most Greenworks corded and cordless string trimmers. You can rely on a perfect fit. Ensure the best performance and longevity for your trimmer. This is a genuine Greenworks replacement part, guaranteeing quality and reliability. What we like. This is a genuine Greenworks replacement line offering a generous 160 feet of 0.080-inch diameter line. Its patented twist design ensures less drag, noise, and vibration for a smoother operation. If you own a Greenworks trimmer and prioritize authentic parts for optimal performance and longevity, this bulk option is excellent. What people say. This line has been strong in use and easy to thread and wind into my trimmer. It seems to not break easily. Much better value than pre-spooled string. It's very easy to replace in this type of weed trimmer, so it just makes sense. Lasts far better than the .065 diameter it came with. Whatever it's made of, it's nearly indestructible. Number 1. Greenworks Weed Eater Replacement Spool, 10-pack. Introducing the perfect replacement spool for your Greenworks Weed Eater. Keep your yard looking pristine with minimal effort. Specifically engineered for compatibility with various Greenworks 24V and 40V single-line cordless trimmers. Enjoy a seamless fit for models like 29252 and 29092. Crafted from premium ABS and durable nylon line, this spool is built to last. Its robust design ensures a long working life for all your trimming needs. Each spool comes pre-wound with 16 feet of 0.065-inch line. The auto-feed system eliminates the hassle of manual winding, saving you valuable time. Experience more efficient cuts thanks to its aerodynamic design, which reduces drag. This ensures a cleaner and faster trimming experience. This package includes 10 replacement spools and 2 cap covers, providing excellent value and ensuring you have plenty on hand. We stand behind our product with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you. What we like. This massive 10-spool pack is designed for Greenworks single-line cordless trimmers, offering exceptional value. Each spool comes pre-wound with 16 feet of 0.065-inch line, and the auto-feed system eliminates manual winding. If you have a compatible single-line trimmer and want a long-term supply of easy-to-use replacement spools, this is the ultimate convenience. What people say. Each 29252 line spool is pre-wound with a 16-foot, 0.065-inch diameter, high-strength, durable nylon thread. This package had 10 spools and 2 caps for under $14, which will last me several summers worth of edging. The power to cut bigger weeds is what I needed, and it does the job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.